Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we have Tricky's daughter who will be preparing melting moments for us. These are crunchy Scottish biscuits that are rolled in oats. They have a nice crisp outside but a soft inside, and they are topped with a cherry. This is a very easy recipe to get children to try out and to get them into the kitchen. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients that are used are at room temperature, especially the butter, which must be softened. Preparation. Line a baking tray with parchment or grease-proof paper and preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Method. Cream together the butter and sugar until it is pale and fluffy. Then add in the egg yolk and the vanilla extract. Give it a mix. Now add in the self-raising flour. Mix well to form a soft dough. Divide the dough into 12 even-sized portions, then place them on a prepared baking tray. Take a portion of the dough and roll it in oats. Press down to flatten up to 1 centimeter thick. Repeat the same process with the remaining portions. Now place half a glacé cherry in the center of each portion. Bake in a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the biscuits are lightly golden brown. When done, remove from the oven and transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before serving. And there you have it, delicious biscuits with a nice crisp outside but a soft inside and topped with a glacé cherry. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy! Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other biscuit recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.